Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm actually about to take a shower. Weird order, right? I got ready and then I'm gonna take a shower. But anyways, I had to, get myself ready. While my daughter actually let me. She is having a mamitis couple of weeks, meaning she does not let me go. She's on top of me all the time. But yeah, so we actually went to a pumpkin patch. I'm actually gonna go ahead and share with you guys that right here. All right, guys, this is our first pumpkin patch as parents, I guess you could say. So that is actually my husband. You're going to be seeing quite a bit of him. I was actually carrying my daughter pretty much the entire time. She did not want to sit in a stroller at all. And it was a little bit of a rainy day. But look at those cute skeletons. My daughter was so excited. She was like, sustos, sustos. They had such cute little houses. We are in Chicago, so we went to a Chicago one. You could tell it was actually raining, but it wasn't too bad. They did also have a petting zoo, which was the only time my daughter was so ready to go on the floor and she wanted to kind of like see my husband feed the animals. My husband is a huge animal person. He even said he wishes we lived on a farm, like same, far, far away from humans. And literally he was so happy feeding the animals, and my daughter actually joined in later on here. You'll see. She only wanted to do it once. She wasn't scared though. She just didn't want to do it again. But it was so, so cute. Look at them. My sister-in-law made a good point. Like, oh my God, these animals eat all day. I'm like, yeah, and it's probably makes life so much easier for the farm in general because we're paying $5 per cup of carrots. So yeah. But enjoy my husband here feeding the animals. My baby is so cute. She kept saying so cute every single time. If you're wondering who the other person is, it's actually my sister-in-law. And here is when she fed the little animal. Look at her. She wasn't even scared. And she smiled so big at her daddy. The pumpkin hat I actually was wearing as well, and we got those on Amazon. You guys, the apple cider was absolutely amazing. It was so good. It was warm. It was delicious. Then they were play fighting here, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. So I decided to go ahead and film that for you guys so you guys can see it. It was so cute. Every time he went up, I was like, oh my God, you're adorable. There was actually a lot of rides as well. I didn't show it all, which the next time I go, I definitely will because I had a lot of nice rides. My husband and my sister-in-law were children and pretty much got on every single thing. Don't get me wrong, I would have too if my daughter wasn't completely clinging to me. But this little thing, she actually made us go on it like 3 times. It's just like a little house. And she actually really liked it, which makes me so excited for Disney. But she really loved this and kept wanting us to go back inside and see it again. And it was just, again, a little house. It wasn't scary or anything. They did have a little haunted house. My sister-in-law and my husband said it wasn't, like, they're not scaring you, so it's not too scary. But that was really it. And then we had some amazing donuts and took some home as well. But yeah, guys, next time I'm definitely going to film a little bit more. It was hard because I was carrying my daughter the entire time. And it was raining on and off, so I had to make sure I didn't, it was just a lot. One handed mama. But yeah, we're actually going to a pumpkin patch. We're going to my sister-in-law's house to carve some pumpkins. So I'm gonna share that with you guys. Well, you guys are actually coming along with me. I didn't already film that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and then I'm gonna share with you guys. I think I'm gonna make something. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make some pumpkin cheese muffins or I'm gonna make like my apple dessert. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna make I would say this wrong, charcuterie board. I always say that wrong. For there, she wanted finger foods kind of thing. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and make something. I really wish I had like the little like cutters like for pumpkins and stuff like that. Would have been super super cute. But I didn't bring that, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys. I'm gonna go shower first and then get our bag ready, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start making stuff. So I ended up actually not making anything extra, so I'm just gonna make it at my sister-in-law's house. So we're going there now. All right, so here I am putting the board together. Frankenstein was actually purchased at Goodwill, I think the first year I bought my house, so almost 4 years ago. It's actually for candles, but I washed it very well, and I was like, you are going to be a part of this beautiful board that I ended up making. It was so cute. Honestly, I think I ate most of it by myself because I actually love these boards. They are so good, and it came out so cute. Look at them. And this was the table that my sister-in-law set up. Sorry for the glare with the fake cake. My best friend brought some pastries, and then she also made some walking tacos. And my sister-in-law snapped because I miss these. I used to have these all the time at basketball and football games in high school. So good. And here we are. This is my mother-in-law and my sister-in-law actually starting to carve their pumpkin. It was their first time. They don't do this in Ecuador. They actually don't even celebrate Halloween in Ecuador. My sister-in-law kept saying I'm a pro. I used to do this all the time with my dad. So this was fun to me. So this was actually the first pumpkin I made. And since they were all still working on theirs, I was like, all right, let me go ahead and do something else. And I did a Minnie Mouse one, and it came out so cute. And then my husband and my sister-in-law did the trio one that you see there, and this is what it looks like outside. As you guys saw, we had a blast. It was so much fun. I did a Minnie Mouse and a classic one, and my husband did a little bit of a creepier one. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.